Hey guys, welcome back to another demonstration video. So today we're going to be looking at the Nextool K40. You've got this sample sent to me. It's not actually available on Nextool's website at the moment. They should be releasing it fairly soon. But yeah, as you can see, this is a folding blade, and it's got this sort of area here that you can grab on with your grip on with your thumb, flick out, deploy pretty easily, and it has this sort of bar here, locking bar at the back, so you can even just sort of press down on that, open it up as well. And yeah, that's the locking system. You can see sort of slots around in the back, and yeah, no wiggle, not even a little bit of wiggle there. And cool thing I like about this is that it has this proper bit driver here in the back, so it locks also in place at a right angle, all the way 180 degrees. Comes with this bit in here. It's got a PH1 Phillips head screwdriver, SL 3.5 flathead screwdriver, and there is a magnet. Where is it here? There's a little magnet slot there, so that holds the bits in place nice and firmly. And yeah, if you want to release that lock, you just have to press onto this side, fold it back in. And yeah, the scales, they look like plastic, but they actually resemble the same material that's used on my Nextorch K30. And looking it up, it's basically it's G10, so it's not just plastic. It's got a high pressure fiberglass laminate. So apparently it's got a tensile strength similar to 6061 aluminium. So it's pretty durable. I mean, for what it is. And it would be nice if Nextool maybe released one in wood or just aluminium as well, but yeah, to keep the weight down, and you know, it's got a nice kind of grip to it as well. I really don't mind it. You've got a clip here along the side, as you can see, and you can see here on the side of the blade it states the steel grade, so Sandvik 14C28N, which I looked up. It's a high performance stainless steel, and it's used for cutlery, you know, premium kitchen knives, hunting knives, folding knives as well, so higher end folding knives. And yeah, it's just it holds an edge, has great edge retention and high hardness, so between 59 to 62 HRC. So it's a good material that they've used there for the main blade. But anyway, what do you guys think? You know, let me know down below in the comments. I think this is yeah, great little folding knife if you're looking for one.